Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the spell check feature or grammar check feature for text you type on Google Chrome. So let us dive into this. So the spell check or grammar check feature, guys, may help you, for instance, avoid typos and grammar or pronunciation or spelling mistakes whenever you type in something on or through Google Chrome, like in documents or on websites or in various forms, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to enable it, what you want to do, guys, is access your browser settings on Google Chrome by clicking into these three dots here, click into settings there, and inside your browser settings, guys, what you want to do is navigate to languages here on the left panel, and from there, guys, navigate to spell check and simply enable spell check here. Check for spelling errors, to quote this setup here or this menu, when you type text on web pages, which is exactly what I just described or explained. So enable it, and here may customize your spell check, for example, apply a basic spell check or an enhanced spell check, and even enable it for specific languages here, like English spoken in the US, English, Polish, German, French. Customize that spell check even more, and for example add custom word here. So save these as custom words, and that's basically it, guys. That's how you enable the spell check feature on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.